Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with our black alloy rims with red striping, rear privacy tint. We also have our black leather interior, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, dual sunroofs and moonroofs, as well as our backup camera, heated and cooled seats, and power-activated liftgate. Now moving on to the interior of the Traverse, we'll take a look at the door panel, which features our soft touch foam, black leather. We have our chrome door handle, lock and unlock buttons, and memory seat option. Below we have our padded leather armrest, close handle, window controls, rear window lock, and our mirror controls. Below that is our Bose speaker, power liftgate controls, and storage. And on the side of the seat we have our power seat adjustment with lumbar support. Off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our interior dimmer switch, daytime running lights and fog lights. Off to the left of the steering wheel, we have our gauge cluster with screen in the middle. Controls for that are found off to the right of the steering wheel. Off to the left, we have our cruise control, front collision alert, and heated steering wheel option. And the wheel is wrapped in black leather with grips up top. Push start, infotainment screen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and our many other apps we can see. We also have a second page with rear and front climate controls, our backup camera with overhead view, surround view, and side view, among others. We also have the option down below to slide up our infotainment screen, revealing behind a full felt-lined cubby, radio controls, and then our dual zone climate controls. You can see our sequential lighting fan speed just above on that strip. Then we have heated and cooled seats up front. Below we have our SD card slot, 2 USB ports, auxiliary input, and 12-volt charging ports, with our remote charging pad underneath, finished in textured rubber. Gear selection stock with manual shift option up top, 2 cup holders. Behind that we have our electric park brake, traction control, lane departure warning, and all-wheel drive system. Can shift the vehicle into 2-wheel drive if driving conditions are more favorable, and this will allow for a bit better fuel economy. We also have our off-road and trailering modes, padded leather center console lid. Inside we have our removable tray, plenty of storage room, and then our front seats, which are featured in black leather with copper stitching and perforated leather in the lower portion of the seat. Again, these are heated and cooled. Our rear view mirror, that doubles as a rear view camera. OnStar controls, dome lights and dome light settings, sunroof and moonroof controls, 3 garage door openers, and then our dual sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now moving back onto the exterior of the Traverse, we can take a closer look at our black alloy rims with our red striping. We also have our black and red feature on our Traverse badging on the side of the vehicle, black metallic mirror caps and door handles, rear privacy tint. We'll also see our chrome lock and unlock buttons on all 4 door handles around the vehicle. We have our rear privacy tint around the back, blacked out Chevrolet emblems, dual exhaust, and then our power activated liftgate. Once inside we have plenty of storage room, as well as the handles on the back of the seats to fold down the rear 60/40. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Traverse, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which features our chrome door handle, black leather, window switch, cup holder, storage, and speaker. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area we have our rear climate controls, heated seats for the rear bucket seats, our 3-prong power outlet, 2 USB ports with storage underneath. Overhead again we have our sunroof and moonroof. And the rear bucket seats are featured in black leather with copper stitching and perforated leather, with the addition of our fold-down leather armrest. Moving down the aisle to the rear, we have our 60/40 split bench, and off to either side we have a cup holder and USB port. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around the 2020 Chevrolet Traverse. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.